yeah, just realizing my notes, yes. So when you talked to Uncle, you also talked about Pundi X.
Yeah.
So when we saw the video for Aura, that's a standalone independent merchant capable technology. Why do we need Pundi X and where's that relationship?
You must understand that we cannot do everything ourselves. All right. Part of being successful is to be able to connect to everyone else. And Pundi X itself is the first partner that for merchant POS that we want to work with. So it's only natural for us to actually work with the industry leader. We look at them as a leader, right? Ours is just this is what we think should have, but they've already been through the whole process. They've been through all the hurdles. It's like somebody trying to copy a wallet, but they have not done wallet before. That's what we have now, right? So we work with industry leaders, we learn from them, and yeah, that's the most important thing is the members itself able to enjoy all of this service. The good thing is our NFC card that we have is compatible with theirs, so we can just tap the play.
So will there be an official announcement on both sides, like Pundi announcing a relationship?
Yeah, you know, if you guys know D, so every time when a coin gets listed, he will post that on his post. So hopefully once we have done that, yeah. So we have already submitted the application. We are waiting for the application to be finished, and then we will fund the coin. Once we fund the coin, then done. You'll be there. So the time frame is about August, mid of August as well. Yeah.
Okay.
So
busy month in August.
Busy month.
Busy month, very much.
So Ronald, can you just explain one more time? I think it's very important about the circulation of the 1 billion coins every day. Can you just explain that, how that's going to work, just one more time?
Yeah, so basically when you park your assets with me, okay, I'm supposed to give you back CTOs, right? And these CTOs actually that you have, if you do not change it or you do not convert it into Ethereum, I do not need to give it back to you. So it's still in exchange doing that, right? So you'll be HODLing a lot of CTOs. Now, CTOs will grow in size. It's because I have to give you back in everything, right? And the more you have, okay, which means that the asset that Jarvis has to trade gets even more, but I cannot trade more even though the asset pool is high. There's a limit of what I can make. Maybe if my AUM might be like 160 mil or 200 mil, but I can only make a yield of, let's say, X%. But the percentage has to split among all. So you will not get a higher return. And then it gets lesser and lesser.
The more people withdraw.
Yes, so it must have a balance. Okay. And the balance is only equivalent to the number of participation that's coming in. I have to retune myself.
Get that list up.
Yeah.
So Ronald,
Until we get the FSL.
where do you yourself and the other co-founders envision the price to be, let's say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years time? Like, where do you see it going? I know that nobody can predict the future, but where do you kind of like, we all think Bitcoin over the coming years will go. Where do you see CTO?
Basically, CTO would always be slow growth because we only have a few projects there. All right. Of course, when there are a lot of usage, you know, when there's a lot of movement, a lot of usage, then it will go up. So it's based on that relationship. That is how the Aura is built on, right? If of course you have 10 million members, and these 10 million members keep circulating around, just like how you use your PayPal for on the internet, things like that. Yeah, of course you will grow. Because the more trades you do, the more revenue.
Spending CTOs is helping the price.
The utility.
Yes.
Of course, spending CTOs on the merchants that we have partnership with.
Yeah. Double the utility.
Yeah.
Any plans to enhance specific features on the networking side?
Yes, there are many. The funny thing is, we got a call from Amazon, AWS on early morning on the 27th or the 8th, I remember. Basically, they told us that we have outgrown the number of servers they have in Southeast Asia. We have grown 500%. We are not optimized. We know that we're not optimized. So they're going to send us a system architect to actually help us optimize our solution. We told them, yes, we're going to do this, but we cannot wait. So we went to Azure and started building servers from there. So just today itself, we have 8 new servers built. Ordered to so it's really, really crazy. Honestly, we're growing. We know that we'll keep growing this way because we built the system too quickly. A lot of things are for we rely too heavily on our partners like Cloudflare and of course our network and security side to actually maintain the security. We rely too much on that layer. But after this period, after August itself, we would have more to actually, increase the performance, really optimize everything to keep all the servers close. Yeah. So it's just time.
One more from me. I know what I'm asking about. So projects like this are very much built on vision, and then how much the community is engaging, and it's dependent on that vision materializing bit by bit. Yep. And you've already said that many things will be coming in August. And a few things kind of are slipping over. We're seeing that the event will be in September or in August. So how are you planning to communicate efficiently with the network to be sure that everyone's up to date on the latest?
Basically, what we have been doing, what we have been pushing on is on our ability to communicate, and we have been slipping on that as well. How we actually address the members. We are working on that as well to tell beforehand what's going to happen. Of course, the official channel will still be on Facebook, but maybe not on mine. Now I'm doing directly on my own Facebook. Probably will be doing it on the cloud Facebook channels to come up with. We will never be on Telegram. That's one thing. We're not an ICO. We'll work on that. But hopefully, most of the things that we said last time, because we only have 6 person in the whole team to build this. But now it's really cool that we got 6 different partners from different companies to come in, and it's done parallelly together. The network itself now is handled by another team, so we have all those covered for our engineers. So more of them can be spent on fixing the problems. The switch side is actually done with another team, but managed by one of our PMs. The OTA side is actually handled by another team, by the OTA team themselves to actually come in. So it's great. I think things are all going in parallel.
Like just short-term contractors?
No, we actually partnered with them to actually come into my company itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you guys actually right now? Are you still in a WBF building in Singapore?
No. As I said, us and WBF, we only have a project with them through BBS, Big Data Systems. But since I'm no longer their technology advisor or their advisors, we actually moved out of the building back to our own. We have our own office in Singapore as well. You can find that out from our website. Okay, and the Malaysian office is our first.
When we have a mapping team,
Come again?
when we have a mapping team, mapping problems like marketing as
Marketing,
Oh, marketing.
PR team. Yeah.
Yes, we will have that media, marketing, and PR, and the event. The event on the 28th was done by our own event manager. So we got her in. Hopefully, you guys at the event that joined the event
Very good.
like it.
Very good.
Yeah, that's great. So hopefully, we do a better job on the 10,000 people event. So one of the things that we wanted to do is also to organize where you guys can stay close by, so that after the event we can have after party and things like that. So these are the things that we will try to increase on doing during those days. Yeah. We have our own team.
On the business building side, in the back office, if you like, the information is limited. Any plans to expand more analytics? For instance, the breakdown of data.
Yeah, we actually worked with a company called Click, so to actually do all the big data analytics and things like that. Yeah.
So to make more features or numbers displayed.
Yep, correct. We are working with them, and the information that I got shown on stage actually was from them. Yeah, so they took our data and they analyzed it. The only thing they said that how come you don't keep any personal data? So we don't. You don't even know how many countries they are from. Yeah, I don't, but I know it from Cloudflare itself. How many of them came in from all these different countries? 143 of them.
So inside the wallet, Ronald, when you've got a list of accounts, there's no chronological order in those. Is there any way that we can have descending to ascending, so that the accounts that are funded with the high ones are at the top, the zeros at the bottom?
We during the Bangkok meeting, right? We had a discussion on this with the engineers, but they are just too busy to actually implement it.
Okay.
One thing is called sorting. So we like to sort those that actually is funded, be on top. And the second one is filter. So you can actually filter search the IDs to see whether they are funded or not. Yeah, so this is good.
When we have the capacity to communicate directly with our teams through the app, for example, because we don't have their emails, and sometimes you don't know who's signing on that you want. That would be good.
Basically, not really, but we will have a methodology for, we will have a feature for you to push information down to your whole entire line. Yeah.
So it's not relative to individuals, but to the whole lot.
Yeah. One of the things that in the new app, right, that's coming out is to really style to create a team concept. So, for example, the team is called Power Team. We can set that name from the top, and it gets propagated all the way down.
Diamonds. We're there you go. We're diamonds.
Diamonds. Yeah, you can just put all those in. One of the other things that we wanted to solve is with phishing websites. So maybe not so much for you guys. I think you understand that this is a website, not an app. But in China itself, because most of the information comes from chat and all of these other mediums, so especially the I and the L's and the O's and the other type of O's, they can be manipulated, and users are tricked into clicking on all the sites and leading to them losing their assets, right? So we are working on this to also solve it. One of the things that we are doing is to introduce a special word that will show up every time you log in, or a image that you choose that it will appear every time that you log in, which phishing sites will never be able to know. Yeah. So, for example, when you sign up or you go to settings and say that I want to see this word, okay? Yeah.
So exchange is offered out here, like an image of a panda, for example, and I want that.
Yeah, but then the panda don't really change, you see. It's just always the panda, you just swipe left and things like that.
Yeah.
But ours is totally, you can just customize it yourself. Yeah, so the phishing website won't be able to know what you choose because everyone else is different, right?
Yeah.
So once you find that it's different, then you realize something's wrong there. So these are some of the things that we learned from the certification for the ISO 27001. What we need to do. So yeah, these are the things, and also on the password strength, what it needs to happen and what you need to do, things like that. Even for numbers itself, you're gonna have 2 or more repeated numbers and things like that. So there's a certain standard that we need to follow in order to get the certification.
There will be a way that, because we see past projects, is that we are creating any amount of money, any exchanges. There will be a way that we can see, or any city members.
You can already see now.
You're gonna see, can we see that?
You can already see that now in the order history trading.
Where?
Yeah. In the app itself, there's an order history. You click on it, you will see the pairs that's been created, and there's an amount there. That is how much it has in USDT that is trading. But yeah, if you want to see, I can show it to you. One of the accounts.
It will be great.
That would be great.
Yeah, sure.
That's cost about 500 CTO. You give the utility.
Yeah.
I'm charging.
Starters were made to go on.
I think some of us actually. Are you able to show us live trade?
It's going to show us.
Yep.
Of course.
Yes, now.
Or now, not just okay on your laptop.
It's going to log in.
Yeah, let me show you the trading. So, hang on. Run all of them again.
How is the vibration up? Yeah.
Okay, second bot. Okay, the bot is running. Let's bit. Okay, yeah, let me log into Binance from one of these accounts.